This video contains step-by-step instructions on how to use the software program Hide Affiliate Links from Google. This software program enables you to completely hide your affiliate links from Google, other search engines, and your website visitors. It's probably the most effective affiliate link hiding method out there, and it uses encrypted JavaScript code to basically swap out a link on your website for an affiliate link only when that link is clicked. This program here is actually several different programs built into one, but the main program, Hide Affiliate Link, what it does is it creates a file, and that file contains a list of your web address or URLs that you want your visitors to see when they move their mouse over their link. So for example, let's say you're an affiliate for Spokeo, which is a people search engine. In this text box, you want to put what you want the visitors to see and what you want the search engines to see when they put their mouse over the link. Over here goes the affiliate link. After you have done that, press the add button. You keep doing this for as many affiliate links as you want. There's really no limit whatsoever. So for the sake of this demonstration, we'll add a couple of ClickBank links, probably one of the most common affiliate networks. And we'll take a few items we want to promote, let's say Piano for All. And this, for example, is the web address that you want the search engines to see. You put that here, and then your affiliate link goes here. Click Add, and we'll do one more. Let's say Killer Guitar Control Secrets. And here's the URL we want our search engines to see, and our site visitors. And here's the affiliate link. Click Add. Now again, keep in mind you could add up to 32,000 links and affiliate link combinations here. If at any time you want to edit them, you just click on it, edit, and then when you're done, this program is going to create a small file that you want to upload to your web server. You want to indicate where it is you are going to upload it to your web server. In most cases, you would upload it to the root of your web server. So say your website is, and then click Generate Stealth Code and save. Wherever it is you want to save it, it's just some instructions. And all you do at this point is the page where you are going to have any affiliate links, any of these affiliate links, any of your web pages on your website, you copy and paste this code into your website. Usually it's at the bottom of the web page, could be in the head. This can be done whether you have a WordPress site or not. Now this file that was just created, what you want to do is you want to upload that to your web server, wherever you indicated here that that file is supposed to be. So in this example, the root of the web server. Now all you do is when you want to create an affiliate link, you take this code on the web page where you want the affiliate link to be. Now for this example, I've created an extremely simplistic web page. In order for it to work, you want to make sure that the link that you put in for the ref or the URL for the link is exactly the way you made it within the program. In other words, for example, this is the exact link here, Spokeo. You have to make sure the link is exact. For instance, if this slash is missing, it won't work. However you created the link here, you want to make sure you put the link, that exact link, there in the URLs. So we'll insert our links. And you insert the JavaScript code at the very bottom of the page. Save this page as, and the page can be PHP, HTML, doesn't matter what the web page extension is. And we'll go to that page now. Again, this is a very simplistic page just for demonstration purposes, but I want you to notice down here in the status bar when we put the mouse over the link, notice it does not show an affiliate link. It shows the raw link. That's what Google's going to see. That's what your site's visitors are going to see, and we can even view the page source, and you'll see they're not affiliate links. However, when you click them, take a look at the address bar here when I click it. That's the affiliate link. Amazing technology, completely hides your affiliate links and you still get your affiliate commissions because when they click on the links, they are directed to your affiliate link. Even though the web page does not contain an affiliate link, Google can't see it, your website visitors can't see it. Now, the hide affiliate links from Google also comes with several other software programs built in that are quite useful. For example, a URL shortener. You can take a long link that you want to make short. You enter it here, click the shorten button, and sit back and wait about 30 seconds to a minute as the short URLs are created in multiple formats. The list of links, spin syntax for the links, and spin syntax with the pref for the links as well. And short URLs will keep being added to the list until all 20 have been complete. And then you can select and copy the clipboard, whatever format for these shortened links you want to use. Another program is an online ID maker. This is useful because most websites out there where you're going to post content like Weebly and WordPress and Wix, they only want you to create one account, but you often want to create multiple accounts to spread yourself out there. So this helps by helping you create a new identity online. You just click the button and you get a username, a password, blog name, first and last name created for you. Each time you click it, a new identity is created. And then you have a list of temporary disposable anonymous email addresses here, and you just click on them, they open to your web browser, and you get a free anonymous disposable email. And what's really cool is you want to be able to, for example, log in or create the account instead of having to actually type in anything. You turn on auto key press shortcuts or hotkeys, and what happens is when you type, for example, if you want the program to automatically paste your username, you just type the letter U and it pastes the full username into the text box. Or your password, you just type the letter P. Or blog name, I'll show you, for example, like first name, we want the first name, so we'll hit the F key. And see how the first name is automatically inserted? Then we'll type L for last name. The last name will be inserted. When you've created your free anonymous email account, you would put your email in here. Hit the E key to paste email address. Password, press P. And then when you're done using that, you just uncheck this. It just really speeds up creating accounts. The next piece of software that we have is a giant list of places you can go online to create a free blog or website. And there's even ones that don't require you to create an account or sign up. And believe it or not, many of these rank very well with Google, like Just Paste It and Just Paste Me. Show you for example. Let's say, for example, we want to promote the hide affiliate links from Google. I just copied the entire web page. The formatting is preserved. And click Publish. And your web page is live. So there you have a giant list of places you can post content online to spread your content out there and increase your exposure. And then we have a little toolbox of affiliate tools here. For example, this utility takes a list of keywords, turns it into a comma-separated list. There's a list sorting utility. If you want to change the case of a sentence or words or a paragraph, text to page name, a ping service built in. So for example, that web page we just made it, just paste it. Ping selected. Again, be patient. Sit back about 20 seconds or so and the pings will go out. This window here is going to show you the feedback of that. And then we have another utility that allows you to add something before or after text that you have. remove or replace text, and finally, a utility to launch multiple URLs at the same time.